99% of people end up buying the wrong mutual fund and lose their money. The problem is that most people don't know how to actually read a mutual fund name. So then let's try to understand as to how to read a mutual fund in order to choose the correct one. Let's try to understand this with an example of Parag Parikh FlexiCap Direct Growth Mutual Fund. In this, the first term, Parag Parikh basically means the fund manager or the brand that is managing your mutual fund. Then comes the term flexi cap. This is generally replaced by terms like large cap, mid cap, etc. Large cap, for example, basically means that your fund is investing in large and stable companies, and the others I've already explained in the caption. Then comes the word direct. It is very, very important to choose a fund which has direct in its name because this means that there is no additional commission involved in a direct mutual fund. Never choose a mutual fund which says regular instead of direct. Then comes the word growth. This basically means that whatever profits or dividends your stocks are earning in that mutual fund, that will be directly reinvested and you will grow your money on that reinvested money. Never choose a dividend mutual fund. Now, you tell me in the comments below which of these mistakes have you made, and if you like this reel, share it with your friends and follow to level up.